Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall software in your Windows 10. This is software I am going to uninstall, VLC Media Player. First of all, go to search bar and type remove. And this system setting will appear. Click on it. Add or remove program. This is where Windows 10's all software are listed, so here you can go and uninstall every program you want. So here we're going to find VLC Media Player. Click on uninstall. Once again, process of uninstall is begun. Click on next, uninstall, and it's finished. Completing VLC Media Player uninstall. It's gone. Now that's how you can uninstall any program. That's it. As you can see, it's all gone.